Here we have the new Bird 777 Lucky Kit. Comes with a 900 watt headlamp. $900mm, should I say 90mm. Comes with an auxiliary light, manual and auto cooling, start, stop button, on and off. We have the one on the right, which is your bottom heater, one on the left, which is your top heater, all linked via serial cable using a serial to USB adapter, running the Bird BJ Reworker software. And what we're going to do is we're going to run a LED-free profile direct from the PC, which you can see we have already downloaded from the Bird 777 itself. So let's have a look. As you can see, the machine's just clicked on and we're starting to build up. Now the bottom heater here is set to 175, which should on here equal, on the right one, it should end up being about 160. As you can see, they're both climbing. Go over here. And we can see our reflow chart is now building. Whole process should take about, I don't know, 6.5, 7 minutes to lift the chip at least. Quick look around the workshop. So you can see our slope building now. Up here, have a look at the thermal couplers. See, we're roughly the same on both top and bottom. .41 there. So the front of the head is a little bit behind the left side, and the back of the chip is roughly the same as the left. Outwards front is picking up a bit. Let's have a look at our slope. Gradually building. The temperature is reaching roughly 94 degrees there. Over is pumping up nicely. Both bottom and top working at the same at present. So you're showing 160, 170.